Welcome back to another episode of Sliming Around. This is a series when each video in the series is about making slime and slime challenges, slime anything, and you guys should subscribe to the channel that Sliming Around is on, MKville, and I'm MK if you didn't know. And because we're almost close to be hitting 50 subscribers, then it comes to 100, then it goes 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000. Because I want to try to at least get over 500. That'd be good. At least over 100. Please come on, do it right now. I'm not making the slime until you do it, okay? Stop. Stop. Okay, I need to make slime. Okay, this episode is season 1, episode 2, and you guys better have watched the last episode of Sliming Around, because I made Cosmic Alien time. So if you want to see that, it either should be like click out full screen if you're out. It should be over, scroll through, should be over like here somewhere, like over on the right, or no, wait. It's on my right, but it may be on your left. So if it's over here, because on my camera it's like this, so it'll be pointing to the right. So yeah, so either one of these has videos on it that you can scroll through, and yeah, it might be on there. I don't know. I'm not guaranteeing it, so stop yelling at me. You better not yell at me or I get mad. Okay, today I am making the swamp juice slime, and I showed you this slime in my sneak peek like a week or two ago, I believe, and it's just like Duck Dynasty green color. It's really nice, and there's a secret to it that I changed a little bit that I didn't tell you in the sneak peek, but yeah, but we'll see. Stuff that you're gonna need is a bolt and a string object thing that I don't have, so I gotta get it. Boom. Fork, string, here it is. A knife to cut things. You don't do that actually. No, you just stir to make slime. You make things better, you know you do. Okay, look, poking you, poke. Did that hurt? Come on. Sorry if I'm angry, but my dad's annoying. Oh. So yeah, and then I need a gallon of glue, or as much as you want. And liquid starch. Blue, green, yellow, and red food coloring. And I have to get that I have to get it. And and the secret ingredient to making this slime, it doesn't smell like a swamp juice because I don't want it to smell like that because it's disgusting, but I'm putting a very tiny hint of mint in it, mint extract or scent, whatever you say, but I'm just putting a little bit of that in, so yeah. And then you can also add water, and you can make a jiggly slime, a regular slime, a fluffy slime, a crunchy slime, a foam slime. Doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna make like the media between regular slime and jiggly slime because I'm gonna have water in it, because then it will just go good. And the trickiest part about the slime would be the food coloring, because you have to make a special color for it, or making sure you don't add like the whole bottle of mint. I didn't do pours glue up. If it isn't, oh, I should be showing you guys this. I'm showing you guys it. Wait, guys, let me make sure that it's all good. You can see stuff. I guess it's good. You guys can tell. I'm gonna try to make this quick because my battery's gonna die soon. So yeah, boom. There. Now you're gonna add a little tiny bit of water to it. I just added a very tiny bit because the scent will make it watery too, since it's like a liquid, I guess. And it will start looking like it's slime, but it isn't. It's just because you have to mix the water, glue together, and the glue is like a sticky, like hard, like not hard, but like sticky concept, and the water is not. It's just a wet concept. Then you're gonna add your scent in, and just add about maybe like a little tiny bit. Look how much I added. That wasn't a good idea for me. Oh, that might have been too much, but it smells good. You know, like the green, like peppermint candies, like, not the red ones, but the green ones. That's what this one smells like. It smells so good. And if you guys hear my parents talking, they're just obsessing over Marco, the leopard gecko that I got to take home for the summer from my classroom. So yeah. So this, the hardest part of the whole slime, is the food coloring. What we're gonna do is add 2 drops of blue food dye. 1, 2. Oh, that was 3, but you're just gonna keep adding more while you do it. Then you add 2 ounces of green. And you add more. I feel like it's different. Then 4 drops of yellow. Come on, 1 more. Since I did an extra drop of blue. Bad me. Well, and 2 drops of red. Now, I'm gonna mix it all up, and it should start turning into like a somewhat like brownish greenish color. It'll look ugly for a second. That's just because it's like a Duck Dynasty green. And no copyright. Don't copyright. You see me. Get that score. Don't copy. But I just call it Duck Dynasty green because we'll see it looks kind of a little bit like their greenish color. Then I take your liquid starch and add a little bit at a time. As you can see, it's starting to turn into beautiful Duck Dynasty green slime. Starting to turn in slime. It's sticky. It's not sticky mace. I call it sticky, but it's just juicy. I'm sorry if you're watching this as a kid at school, but this said juicy 2 times today on June 7th, 2017. I think I'm gonna start putting my hand in there. Or my hands. But oh my god! This slime is so neat. Don't eat. It's so neat you don't even know. You don't even know that somebody is crazy. Uh-oh. My hands are sticky. Hey, Dad. Daddy. Come here, Dad. Dad. I don't want to get my liquid starch bottle all messy. I don't want to do no more with my hair like that. I can't. I gotta wash my hands. My dad isn't coming. I just gotta add lots of. I said lots, but didn't mean like a whole bottle. That's like a whole cup of it. But good thing I'm just adding this slime to my whole batch of this slime. So, yeah. If you guys want me to do like a giveaway on one of my slimes that I make for the slime around thing, just for like a neat thing, maybe like at the end, maybe you got. Hey guys, in the comments of each of these videos, comment below your favorite slime I made so far, and the slime that is voted so much will be the giveaway. And if you guys vote your favorite slime for each entire video, maybe one of these slimes will be, maybe one of these will be like, maybe I'll do that and put a few other things in. I don't know, so you have to tell me. What do I do? You know, right? Hashtag. What do I do? I feel like a redneck. Na. Do I do when no one is watching? Tell me what it will be. Tell me, cause I need to know what we got. My loneliness killing me. And I must confess, do you think I should add this into my big batch right now? I think I should. I think so, because then it won't be a stringy mess. La 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 la. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, ooh, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, ooh. Just wanna hold you down. It's my big batch. Just wanna hold you down. So I'm just gonna. La 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 la. I don't know what you got. Look at this color. It's pretty much the same thing. And this also becomes like glassy. Glassy, yeah. It's very glassy. Ow, I hurt myself from the broken glass. Oh my god. I hope you guys, yeah. I feel like everything is just crowded right now. It's all just like right now. Now, when did you guys see the sun? Here, should I move from here? Here, let me look in the screen. I do an ASMR part for the video. You have to do ASMR, it's not a video. It smells so good. Smell like a man. Come on. Did you like it? Did you like? Did you like? Did you like it? So, question of the video is, I probably won't be doing these each and every video because I'll probably forget, but I'm gonna do it for a few. Question of the day. What is your favorite board game? And if you're not allowed to have board games, or you just don't have the money to get a board game, or even play a board game, then comment below who's your favorite. What's your favorite video that I did? And if this is your first the first episode you're watching on me, then comment below this one, because better safe than sorry. So if you don't, you're not gonna be safe. And for one of the last episodes of Slimin' Around, I came up with a very fun episode, like special thing, yeah. Oh, and if you're watching this video and this gets pretty many views, if you didn't watch the last episode, please watch it because it only has a few views. And remember, if my Slimin' Around series doesn't get very much reviews or credits, then there may never be a season 2. Maybe I'll have to make up a whole new slime series and throw this one in the trash, and you'll never see it again. And you may never see me again. But I like the salty some. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Please subscribe. We're almost at 50. Come on! Do it now. Yeah, I'm done. Peace. On the streets. Sun.